Hello guys, welcome to Crypto EP121, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And it's a brand new week where we're going to start looking into what is going on in the crypto space on this great show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. My name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great, and thanks for joining me on the show today. And today we're going to be taking a look at the news, of course, also looking at the calendar, taking a look at the market cap, and checking out the chart to see what we need to do as the market is still consolidating between 90 something K, and probably we're going to see another 100K this week. But these are more what we're going to be looking at on the show today. You don't want to go nowhere. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to subscribe right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get all the juicy content as I drop it immediately. Also, you can follow me on Facebook, you can follow me on X to get more news as I drop news coming out of the crypto space immediately. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, and you can also follow me on TikTok so you can get all the nuggets as I drop it immediately. All right, thanks for joining me once again. Please subscribe, like, and share. Let us hit that 10,000 subscriber. Then from there we aim for 100,000. As you all know, this is where you get value information, everything regarding cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. All right, on the show today, first of all, let's go to the news segment and see what is going on the news. And what I can see right here is Bitcoin price faces what? Uncertainty. Is the risk of a drop growing? Yeah, we all know Bitcoin went up 108 and it's been dropping, and now been moving between 90 something K. We're gonna check the chart later to know what we need to do. And another news from another good company, which is Fidelity, and Fidelity warns not allocating Bitcoin could be riskier for nations than embracing it. We all know different nations or some of these countries are now start to want to thinking or looking for how they're going to have a strategy BTC reserve with the nation, and we're going to look at that in this year 2025. Also, speaking about nation, let's talk about the president-elect of the United States, and that is Donald Trump. And Trump's treasury picked to divest Bitcoin ETF holdings to eliminate conflict of interest. We all know Trump is going to be sworn in on the 20th of January, just few days to come, and he's going to become president. And for the first time, we're going to have a pro crypto president, and you can see the cabinet has been adjusting. They've been doing great. They've been crypto related people, and I believe this is administration is going to be great for cryptocurrency. We hope he actually fulfilled his promises with the policies and everything is going to be launching. All right, let's check altcoins right now, and the news I have right here is altcoin market could heat up this week with 3 billion US dollars token unlock schedule under lead the charge. Yes, altcoin might take the lead this week, but we're going to take a look at the chart, because that is our fortune teller. That, of course, what tells us when we need to buy any project and when we need to get out of the market, or when we need to stop buying any of the project. Now let's check another project, speaking about altcoin, and this one is XRP price gears up. Is a fresh rally on the horizon, so we need to check that as well. So we're going to check XRP out in our chart analysis as usual. Let's take another altcoin, and this one is Ethereum. ETH price loses steady. Is a rebound brewing? We need to check that. Let's check another altcoin, and this one is Solana. Sol teeters on edge. Is a steep decline next. So we're going to check Solana as well shortly. Another news coming out regarding altcoin, and this one is enormous XRP breakout to launch skyrocketing rally. Shiba Inu's pattern you don't avoid. Bitcoin is still sleeping. That's about 3 news altogether there. And we have one of the big CEO now giving his own opinion about Bitcoin. And this one is JP Morgan CEO doesn't feel great about Bitcoin. All right, let's take one more news, and this is coming from one of the countries. Every day on the show, I make sure I get a news from one or two countries to share with you, and this is coming from Singapore. And what is that? Singapore bans Polymarket amid national crackdown on online gambling site. So those are the news making the radars on today, which is 13th of January 2025. Now let's go into the calendar of the day to know what is really going on with the event. And you can see today is just all yellow, and we just have one kind of orange over there. So no great news coming out of fundamental economic calendar today, so we can relax and just make sure we follow the patterns of our strategy in trading, because if there's any news, we'll need to take a look at the time to know that around this period market might move, and we'll be able to focus on our trade. But today we just have to follow the trade the way it comes, because I can see there is no great news coming out of no country today, although Monday is always like that. Now let's check another news. Excuse me, I say another news. I haven't know the event, the economic calendar. Let's now move to the cryptocurrency market cap. And on the cryptocurrency market cap, we are still sitting on 3.3 trillion US dollar. That is what we closed yesterday. No, I mean yesterday, last week, when I had the last show. We are still on 3.3 trillion US dollars. And I told you we're going to celebrate the 4 trillion very soon, but we just need to take it one step at a time. So let's check the top list on the radar, talking about the top 100 to about 20, the top 1 to top 20. And the number 1 is still Bitcoin, number 2 is still ETH, number 3 is XRP, number 4 is Theta, number 5 is BNB, number 6 is Solana, number 7 is Dogecoin, number 8 is USDC, number 9 is Cardano, number 10 is Little Stake, number 11 is Tron, number 12 is Avalanche, number 13 is Sui, 14 Wrap ETH, number 15 is what? Is Toncoin, 16 Stellar, and Shiba Inu is back to number 17, and the list goes on. If you really want to know the top 100 or the top 1,000 of cryptocurrency, you might want to go to CoinGecko.com to get the latest cryptocurrency list for yourself. All right, that's that on the top list, and what the market cap looks like. 3.3 trillion US dollars what we're still sitting on, and we have the top gainers right here and the trending tokens right there. All right, I haven't done all this. Let's now move to where you are waiting for, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. Please subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get all the content as I drop it immediately. All right, let's go into the chart analysis right now. If you remember last week, I told you BTC is a sell, and you can see it was still a sell. Do we have a buy right now? No, but we have signal for a buy. So if Bitcoin should cross 95,870, we can actually buy Bitcoin back. But for now, stay out of BTC until it crosses 95,870. That's where we're going to be buying BTC. Remember, this is for spot trading and investors, not for derivatives, future trading, and margin traders or option traders. If you want to learn all that, you need to join my Telegram. In the links, then you need to join my Telegram and my Discord. The links are down in the description. There you can join us and take profit within hours and all of that. But for this one, is for investors and traders. Mind you, this is no financial advice of any sort. This is just what? educational purpose and for entertainment. All right, let's go to another coin, and this is Ethereum. And ETH also is still a sell. ETH also is still a sell. Stay away from ETH. ETH is still a sell. So we're going to be waiting for ETH buy anytime soon. Let's take a look at SUI. SUI also is still a sell. Let's take a look at XRP. XRP is a buy. XRP is a buy. XRP is a buy. Then the stop loss is right there. XRP is a buy. The stop loss is right there. Let's take a look at Avalanche. Avalanche is a sell. Stay away from Avalanche. AAVE, stay away from AAVE. Solana, stay away from Solana. Solana is a sell as well. Let's take a look at ADA. ADA is a buy. ADA is a buy, and the stop loss is right there. ADA is a buy, and the stop loss is right there. Let's take a look at TON. TON coin is a buy. No, it's not a buy. This is where we need to buy TON coin now. So TON coin now gave us signal. If TON coin should break above 5.467, we might want to get into the market. And that's that on the altcoin and Bitcoin chart analysis. If you have more altcoins or any project you want me to look into, you might want to drop the comment or drop the project in the comment section. I'm going to take a look at them and definitely analyze it and share it with you. All right, let's take a look at Dogecoin. And Dogecoin right now is actually more of a buy, but we're having a pullback right here. So Dogecoin, you might want to get into Dogecoin or wait, let it cross 0.32 back. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is the same thing. Shiba Inu is the same thing. We need to wait for it to cross 0.02. Let's take a look at Pepe. Stay away from Pepe. Pepe and others are the same thing. You might want to stay away from them until it crosses that green line. Let's take a look at Ondo. Ondo is a sell. Stay away from it. Let's take a look at X. X is a sell. Stay away from it. Let's take a look at Notcoin. Notcoin is actually a buy. Yeah, Notcoin is a buy. Stop loss right there. Although the buy was supposed to be activated there, but let's say if you are not in the market now, you need to wait for altcoin to break above 0.00668. Let's take a look at Dogs. Dogs is a sell. Stay away from it. Let's take a look at Nero. Nero is a sell. Stay away from it. Let's take a look at Deep. Deep is a sell. Stay away from it. Let's take a look at RSR. Stay away from it. And now let's take a look at Popcat. Popcat is a buy now. Popcat is a buy, and the stop loss will be right here. So you can buy Popcat and put the stop loss right there at 0.56. So let's take a look at one more or two. Rose is a sell. Stay away from it. CKB is a sell. Stay away from it. And the last but not the least, Reef is a sell. Stay away from it. So you can see most of these projects are still in sell mode. So probably maybe we're going to have an active buyers or active buy from the market makers today, and tomorrow we might get a good and great entry. But for all what I've said, please stick to that, because I've been right more than 99 or less than 95%, and it's due to my years of experience in the game. So it's not financial advice, it's just my years of experience, and this is for educational and entertainment purpose. And please always trade with the money you can afford to lose. All right, that's that on the chart analysis. Let's now check the fear and greed index out. And right now, the fear and greed index is sitting on greed right now. Yesterday was greed. Last week was extreme greed. Last month, extreme greed. You can see we are moving into fear gradually. And this is where you need to start bagging up your bags back, because when we get to fear, a lot of people will run away and you see people start buying back and coming back to greed. But right now, stick to what I've given you on the chart. No financial advice anyway, and make sure you trade with the money you can afford to lose. All right, thanks for joining me. If you've not now subscribed to the channel, please do that right now. It's CryptoEP121, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And if you've not subscribed, please do right now. Subscribe, like, and share. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be part of the greatness when I drop the show. Also, you can follow me on Facebook, on X for more news regarding cryptocurrency and trading in general. Also, you can follow me on Instagram for nuggets, and you can follow me on TikTok as well. All right, that's that on the show today. My name still remains the same, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. Until I catch you tomorrow on another wonderful packed episode of the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Peace out.